Hey friends, welcome back. Today in this video we'll solve this trigonometric problem, and it is 4 sine theta plus 5 cos theta, that is equal to 3, and z sine theta minus 4 cos theta, and that is equal to 4 square root 2. Then we'll have to find the value of z. So z here mentioned is the multiplication of sine theta. So friend, what should our approach for solving this problem? Now if you look at carefully, we have two identities. One is sine theta and another is cos theta in both the equations. So we have two identities in both the equations. Let us take the first one as equation 1 and the second one as equation 2. Now we can use the formula of sine square theta plus cos square theta. Value of sine square theta and cos square theta is 1. So we'll use this formula in solving this problem. So for that, our first step will be we'll square equation 1. And the next thing, it is in the form of a plus b, means we have to square a plus b, and the formula of a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2 times ab. We'll use this formula. So similarly, a is our sine theta and b is 5 cos theta. So 4 sine theta is a, so we'll square a square means 4 sine theta and square plus b square means 5 cos theta, and we'll square it plus 2 times 4 sine theta and 5 cos theta. 2 4 sine theta multiplied by 5 cos theta, and in the right hand side we have 3 square is 9. Now we can simplify it. It is 4 4 just 16 sine square theta plus 5 square is 25 cos square theta, and here 4 2 is 8, 8 5 is 40 sine theta and multiplied by cos theta, that is equal to 9. So friend, here we have just square the equation 1. Let us take this equation as equation 3. Similarly, we'll square the equation 2. So equation 2, it is in the form of a minus b, so we'll have to square it, and the formula of a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So in place of plus, we'll write negative sign. So it is a minus b, so here will be negative sign, and it is 2 times z sine theta multiplied by 4 cos theta. So in the right hand side we have 4 square root 2 and we'll square it. So square root 2 value will be 2 multiplied by 4 square is 16, 2 and 16 is 32. Now we'll simplify it. It is z square, so z square sine square theta plus 4 4 just 16 cos square theta minus 2 and 4 8, so 8z sine theta multiplied by cos theta, and that is equal to 32. We'll take this equation as equation 4. Now in the next step, here we have 16 sine square theta in equation 3 and 16 cos square theta in equation 4. So we'll add equation 3 and 4. So we'll add equation 3 plus equation 4. Then we'll get the equation as, so it is 16 sine square theta plus 25 cos square theta plus 40 sine theta multiplied by cos theta, right? Now equation 3 is complete, so we'll write equation 4, and in the 4 we have plus z square sine square theta plus 16 cos square theta and negative 8z sine theta multiplied by cos theta, and we'll add 9 and 32. So equation 3 is 9 plus in equation 3 it is 32, so 32. Now let's move forward. So here we have 16 sine square theta and 16 cos square theta. Here it is 16 cos square theta, so we can take 16 common from these two, and the remaining will be here sine square theta plus, now from this 16 cos square theta we have taken 16 common, the remaining will be cos square theta, so we'll write cos square theta. Now we'll write the remaining terms, so it is plus, we'll write now this z square sine square theta So we'll write z square sine square theta. Now this cos square theta will write plus 25 cos square theta. Now the remaining terms, it is 40 plus 40 sine theta multiplied by cos theta, and negative z, negative 8z sine theta multiplied by cos theta, and the value of this will be 9 plus 32 is 41. Now value of this term will be 1, so value of this term will be 1, so 16 and 1 will be 16, and we'll take the 16 in the right hand side. So now we'll first write this term. It is z square sine square theta plus 25 cos square theta plus 40 sine theta cos theta, and negative 8z sine theta cos theta, and that is equal to, so we'll take this 16 in the right hand side, so it will be negative, so 41 negative 16 will be 25. So friend, what will our next step? It is the main thing to understand. Here we have sine theta and cos theta, and here also it is sine theta and cos theta, and in the right hand side we have 25. Now for cancelling these two terms, so the value of 40 and here it is 8z, means the value of 8z should be 40, and similarly the value of these two terms will be 25, so that we can equate right hand side into 25, and the value of these two terms should also be 25, means z square sine square theta plus 25 cos square theta should be 25. Then our equation will be complete. Now we'll use one trick. So now we'll use hit and trial. Now we'll put the value of z as 1 2 3 4, and likewise. Now directly we can take out the value of z, so the value of z will be 40 divided by 8, so the value of z will be 5. So friend, here we have calculated the value of z as 5. If the value of z satisfies this equation, we can take the 5 is our right answer. Now here z square means 25, so it will be sine square theta, and also we have 25, so we can take 25 common, so here it will be sine square theta plus cos square theta. So in the right hand side we have 25, so the value of this term will be 1, so 25 multiplied by 25, this is satisfies our equation. So we can say that value of z is 5, and which is satisfies this equation. So the value of z is 5. This is our answer of this question. This ends for today. If you still not subscribe my channel, please do subscribe the channel, and do not forget to give thumbs up to the video. Thank you for watching the video.